Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing with all of you another educational platform that can be used by teachers and students to help in the academic, which is Class Dojo. This platform can be used to help teachers to monitor students' performance. Besides, another interesting thing about this platform is family can use to participate in monitoring their children's academic performance too. First thing first, go to Google or Safari and search for Class Dojo. And then click on the first link over here. And then, ta-da! You will be at this home page. So if you still don't have an account, you have to log in first. Since I already have an account, then you can proceed by selecting on what mode you want to using this platform. Since I am a teacher, so I will choose teacher mode. Now we already entered the main page or home page. So basically at here you can create your own class. So if you want to create according to your classes, then click on the new class and enter the details of your class. This platform also allows us to add our co-teachers. For example, we want to add another teachers to join this class in this platform. The next step that need to be complete is we have to add our student's full name. So here you can just go to the copy and paste and you can import from Word or from Excel. To be more easy, you can just go to Words or any document that have your student's name and you can just copy and paste it like this. Then click on Import List. Ta-da! So this is the list name for our students in the class. After done with the student's list name, you can write a welcome message. So here you can insert a photos or videos and write a short message to all of our students. So here are the list of the students' names. So basically, if you click on the student's name itself, you can customize their avatar. And like this. And you can save it. And not only that, you can change their avatar. Besides that, you can also customize your own avatar. So you can just click on the create new set and enter the monster set name and click to add file. So basically you have to add the picture of the monster that you want to create. Not only that, the best part is we can give marks or points to our class. So here I create a new point. So I jot down it as on time and I will give points on that. So I give +3. So basically at here you can give to your students their points if they help you or maybe they obey in your class. So this can help students to boost up their motivation in the class. Now I'm going to show you some of the tools that you can use in this platform. The first one is Toolkit. So if you click on it, so we have some another features where you can set up your timer, random pick for your students if they want to answer some questions, and this one is for group maker. So if you have an assignment that need to be done in grouping, so basically you can just use it to set up a group for your students. Next, teachers, you also can check your students' attendance by click on the attendance button and you can choose whether you want to mark all present or mark all absent and choose any students that absent on that day. If you click on the select multiple, here you can give some feedback to your students, which is you can give some points if they cooperate in your class. Besides, you can also choose on the random button and click on it so that this platform will shuffle and give you any random students so that you can give them some points too. So here if you want to create your own group, so you just click on the group and just choose any students that you want to make them in a group together. And just click on the create group. Basically here you can create as much as group you want according to your preferences. So these are some groups that I already create. So click on the students and you can check their points over here. Just click on the button that I click. It will show us some of the history of points that we have gave to our students. Like I said in the beginning, this platform can be participated by families. You just have to click on the invite families and enter the parents' email or phone. Or you can just share the invite link and get the class QR code so that the parents can scan them. Now click on the students. So basically at here you're gonna get some options that can help students to log in this platform. So here you can scan the QR code or enter the text code and sign in with the Google. And if your students at home, you can just click on the at home login. Basically, you can monitor your students whether they already entered the platform or not, or they have been connected or not. And you also can invite another co-teachers by click on the teachers and just invite them using the email. Or you can just share the link for this platform. Next, if you click on the class story, so basically here you can post any postings that you want, just like how we post on the Facebook. So you can update and upload any photos or video and give some message. And all parents and students can read it too. Next, if you click on the create event, basically at here, you can update an event. For example, next week my class have a Hari Raya celebration. So basically just jot down the title, the descriptions, the date, and also the timing. So basically it's like we're making an announcement to all parents to make them well informed what is the upcoming events for their children's. Ta-da! So this is it. So you can check the update on the calendar. Just click on it and you're gonna get the announcement. Now click on the chats button. So over here you can invite your students' parents and you can also create a chat group with the parents. And you can also make a group chat with the students too. So basically you can just jot down any messages that you want to inform to your students or to the students' parents. Last but not least is the Dojo Island. So basically at here we have some games so that students and teacher also can participate in the games too. So you can just click on the get class code to give the code to your students so they can just enter the code and start to play. So here are some options for games. So basically each of the games, they have their own target, which is whether it is for STEM, mathematics, creativity, engineering, and so on. So teachers and students, if you find out this platform is gonna be so helpful for you, I am more than happy if you want to use this. So don't forget to like, subscribe my YouTube channel, and see you in the next video. Bye bye!